Journey through time. The history of GD Waldner, where it all began. In the 1920s, Indian universities sought quality lab instruments. GD met this by importing from Sauter, UK, Pyrex, USA, and Carl Zeiss, Germany. GD formed an associate company by the name of CZ Instruments to market the wide range of instruments from Carl Zeiss, Germany, like microscopes, surveying, analytical, astronomical, metrological, and medical instruments. GD took first steps to set up its factory for manufacturing of laboratory furniture and fume hoods at Baroda, Gujarat. The wheels of progress turned swiftly as the factory took shape in 1993 and 1994. In 1994, GD began installing modern sheet metal engineering machines at its factory. Witness history as one of the first powder coating plants in Gujarat was established within the factory premises. For the first time, steel fume hoods were assembled on an assembly line in a factory. In 2000, GD launched its first in-house fume hood testing laboratory, meeting ASHRAE USA standards. Renowned lab furniture expert Chip Albright from Creative Solutions, USA, was hired to establish global design standards and revitalize the company through remodeling. GDPL, rebranded as GD Lab Solutions, made history as the first Indian company certified with CIFA 8M, CIFA 1, and CIFA 10 certifications. GD Lab Solutions became a lab furniture OEM supplier for Waldner, Germany, exporting to subsidiaries worldwide. In July 2021, Waldner and GD Lab Solutions signed a joint venture agreement, and the new company, GD Waldner India Private Limited, was born. In 2023, GD Waldner expanded its factory, added a recreational area, cafeteria, product display center, fume hood test lab, raw material storage to enhance work-life balance for the incredible GD Waldner team. 2024 marks a landmark year for the company as it completes 100 years of existence from 1924 to 2024. A century of discovery,